Take command of the road in the 2014 Ford F-150. This two-door, three-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.